Hello, my name is Justine Panessa, and you can call me Teacher Jen, and I'm from the Philippines. I'm passionate about education and dedicated to helping students grow both academically and personally. I hold a bachelor's degree in elementary education, and I'm currently pursuing a Master of Arts in Education at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. With over 5 years of teaching experience, including my role as a primary teacher at Liceo de Alabang, I've developed lesson plans, managed classrooms, and supported students in improving their reading, writing, and speaking skills. As an ESL teacher at ADEC Innovations and Enduran Colleges, I've had the opportunity to teach students from diverse ages and backgrounds. At ADEC Innovations, I worked with toddlers and kindergarten students using storytelling, puppetry, and interactive activities to teach phonics, numbers, and the alphabet. These experiences sharpen my ability to design engaging and age appropriate lessons for young learners. I'm also proficient in Microsoft Office and other educational tools. I excel in communication, creativity, and adaptability. Outside of teaching, I enjoy cycling, motorcycling, which help me stay active and unwind. One of my proudest achievements has been successfully integrating technology into my lessons to create dynamic and interactive learning experiences. Thank you so much for this opportunity to introduce myself. I look forward to connecting with you and working together to achieve shared goals. That's all for today. Thank you so much and goodbye.